Introducing Wanlend, the innovative lending and borrowing protocol built on Wanchain. In this tutorial, I will guide you through simple steps to maximize your assets with Wanlend. Before we dive in, ensure your digital wallet has sufficient funds to cover transaction fees and the asset you wish to use within Wanlend. These Wan assets can be conveniently purchased on the Wanchain DEX, WanSwap. Upon opening Wanlend, the first step is to connect your wallet to the protocol to embark on your supplying and lending journey. My favorite aspect of Wanlend? Its simplicity and diverse selection of asset pairs, offering attractive returns to users. Let's begin by supplying Wan on Wanlend to showcase how straightforward this process can be. Remember, while supplying is less risky, there are always inherent risks in any financial activity. Step 2. Select your desired asset pair, enable it, and confirm the action from your wallet. Step 3. Click on the asset pair again, input the amount you wish to supply, then confirm and approve the action on your wallet. And there you have it. Your supplied assets are now prominently showcased at the top of the screen, neatly listed under your supplied balance. Should you wish to withdraw, simply follow a similar process. Click on the asset pair, input your withdrawal amount, press the withdrawal button, and confirm the action on your wallet. With Wanlend's utilization of the fast Wanchain blockchain, liquidity supply and borrowing occur at instant speeds. As we continue to integrate more cross-chain assets onto Wanchain, Wanlend is poised to become the go-to hub for decentralized finance applications.